Today, I'll show you a simple yet powerful way to clean your shower head using just vinegar and baking soda. If you've ever noticed your shower head spraying water unevenly or looking dull and crusty, it's probably due to mineral buildup from hard water. Over time, these deposits clog the tiny holes in the shower head, reducing water pressure and making your showers less satisfying. That refreshing, invigorating shower experience you once enjoyed has gradually turned into a disappointing trickle. But don't worry, because with this method, you can restore your shower head to its original shine and efficiency without using harsh chemicals or expensive cleaners. The first step is removing the shower head if possible. Most shower heads can be easily unscrewed by hand, but if it's too tight, you can use a wrench. I recommend wrapping a cloth around the shower head before using the wrench to prevent scratching the finish. Just be careful not to damage the fixture or the connection points. Take a moment to examine how it's attached so you'll remember how to reattach it later. If your shower head is fixed and can't be removed, don't worry. I'll show you an alternative method in a moment. Now, take a bowl or a plastic bag large enough to hold your shower head and fill it with enough white vinegar to submerge the shower head completely. White vinegar is the secret weapon here. It's a natural acid that breaks down mineral deposits effectively without damaging the metal or plastic components. The acetic acid in vinegar dissolves the calcium and magnesium buildup, loosening it from the surface of your shower head. To enhance the cleaning power, add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. When you do this, you'll notice a fizzing reaction. That's completely normal and actually quite satisfying to watch. The bubbles help loosen stubborn grime and dissolve buildup even faster. The combination creates a powerful yet gentle cleaning action that reaches deep into the crevices and nozzles. Submerge the shower head in the solution and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. If your shower head is fixed and can't be removed, simply fill a plastic bag with the vinegar and baking soda mixture, then secure it around the shower head using a rubber band or string. Make sure the bag is positioned so that the nozzle is fully submerged in the liquid. You might need to refill or adjust the bag to ensure complete coverage. Let it soak just like before. This method works just as effectively, though it might be a bit messy. I recommend placing a towel on the floor of your shower to catch any drips. After soaking, remove the shower head from the solution or take the bag off. You'll likely notice that much of the buildup has already dissolved, but there might still be some stubborn deposits. Use an old toothbrush or a small scrub brush to gently scrub away any remaining residue. The key word here is gently. You don't want to scratch the finish of your shower head. Work in small circular motions, paying close attention to the nozzles, as these are the areas most affected by mineral deposits. If you still see any clogs in the individual spray holes, use a toothpick or a safety pin to clear them out. Sometimes you can see the white mineral deposits actually break away as you work. Once you've scrubbed off the buildup, rinse the shower head thoroughly with warm water to remove any loosened debris and vinegar residue. If you removed it earlier, simply screw it back onto the pipe, making sure it's securely attached but not over-tightened. Turn on the shower to flush out any remaining debris from inside the shower head. Watch as water sprays evenly from all the nozzles again. This method is not only effective but also completely natural, meaning you won't be exposing yourself or your family to harsh chemicals that can irritate skin or leave behind toxic residues. Commercial cleaners often contain strong chemicals that can damage the finish of your shower head over time and are harmful if inhaled in the enclosed space of a bathroom. Plus, using vinegar and baking soda is a great way to extend the lifespan of your shower head and keep your bathroom looking fresh and well-maintained without spending money on replacement fixtures. For particularly stubborn buildup that doesn't completely come off with a first cleaning, you may need to repeat the process. Some shower heads that haven't been cleaned in years might require 2 treatments to fully restore them to their original condition. Don't get discouraged if your first attempt doesn't completely solve the problem. Persistence pays off. If you want to keep your shower head in top condition and avoid that gradual decrease in water pressure, try doing this deep clean once every couple of months, especially if you live in an area with hard water. You'll be amazed at how much buildup can accumulate in just a short time if your water has high mineral content. You can also prevent buildup by wiping the shower head with a damp cloth after each use. which removes water droplets before they have a chance to evaporate and leave minerals behind. For those who want to take preventive measures a step further, consider installing a water softener in your home. While this is a more expensive solution, it addresses the root cause of the problem by removing minerals from your water before they can build up on your fixtures. Soft water not only keeps your shower head cleaner for longer, but also has benefits for your skin, hair, and other appliances in your home. Some modern shower heads come with easy clean rubber nozzles that allow you to simply rub your finger over them to dislodge mineral buildup. If you're in the market for a new shower head, this feature might be worth looking for, as it makes regular maintenance even easier. This vinegar and baking soda method works on all types of shower heads, from basic fixed models to fancy rainfall heads and handheld units. If you have a shower head with special features like massage settings or multiple spray patterns, cleaning it regularly is even more important, as mineral buildup can affect the mechanisms that control these features. After cleaning, be sure to cycle through all the different settings to ensure that the water flows properly through each one. I've also found that this cleaning method works wonderfully for other bathroom fixtures affected by hard water, like faucet aerators and removable sprayer heads on kitchen sinks. The process is exactly the same. Just remove the piece, soak it in the vinegar and baking soda solution, scrub away any remaining residue, and rinse thoroughly before reattaching. It's a versatile cleaning technique that can be used throughout your home. Another tip for maintaining your shower head between deep cleanings is to heat the vinegar before using it for a quick clean. Simply microwave the vinegar until it's warm, not boiling. Then use it to fill your bag or bowl. The warm vinegar works even more effectively at dissolving mineral deposits, making the cleaning process faster and more efficient. If you're dealing with a shower head that has decorative elements or special finishes like brushed nickel, oil-rubbed bronze, or gold plating, you'll want to be extra careful during the cleaning process. Check the manufacturer's recommendations before soaking these types of shower heads, as some finishes may react differently to acidic solutions. In most cases, the vinegar solution is still safe to use, but you might want to dilute it a bit more and limit the soaking time to no more than an hour. Remember, a little regular maintenance goes a long way in keeping your bathroom fixtures functioning properly. By taking the time to clean your shower head every couple of months, you'll ensure that every shower is as refreshing and enjoyable as possible. No more dodging weak streams of water or dealing with unexpected sprays shooting in odd directions. Instead, you'll have a consistent, powerful flow that makes your daily shower a pleasure rather than a frustration. Give this method a try and see the difference for yourself. I promise you'll be amazed at the transformation and wonder why you didn't try this sooner. Happy cleaning, and here's to many invigorating, high-pressure showers in your future.